Well, I just let my cattle out to graze. That's my heifer right there. Here's my bull. He's not hungry. There's my young calves. This black one here, he's going to make a good bull when he gets big enough. This bull here is on high alert. She's puking up her cud so she could chew it back up. Every morning they do this. Bring them out, they run around, exercise some, and then they pick some of their favorite greens. Perfectly normal for dogs to eat grasses and different types of leaves. A little bit of fiber helps with an upset stomach. My pups eat a lot of spinach. Actually, now that they're getting older, they're saving spinach for last in their meals. Just like, I guess, kids. What are y'all doing at this fencing here? They went right inside of it. Some briar right there. Hurts. Alright. Just thought I'd show y'all. Good shot of most of them, if not all of them, aside from Ragnar over here. He's upset. He's got 2 balls right now. Just ran him for about 15-20 minutes non-stop, fetching balls back and forth. And he still has a little bit of energy, so I'll probably throw it a couple more times. Then we'll head in. If y'all like what you see, subscribe. I've been posting videos Monday to Friday. And I post things like us going on hikes, me training them, silly moments with them. I've got a couple caption videos where I put words, you know, what I think that they're thinking, or what I think would be funny that they're thinking. All right.